Hello everyone, my name is Madhura Sakre. Today's date is 1 February 2022. So today's topic is methods in Java. Uh, in a Java, there are the many methods. Is the predefined or user defined. That is the many methods in Java. Uh, what is the method? Method is a way to perform some specific task. Some task means similar. The method in Java is a collection of instruction that perform a specific task. It is called a method. We can also call the method. It is a group or block of code which take input from the user, processed it and give output. Method run only when you call it. You make method in only under the class. Means you only make method in a class. There are the two types of methods. It is a predefined or user defined. Predefined means it is already defined in Java. It's you can known as is a double bracket or semicolon. This is the predefined. This is the four methods. It's a print, sort, sqrt, and nextInt. It is a predefined, and user defined is add, sub, show. You can give any words. That's called user defined. Then syntax of main method. Syntax of methods. First we can write the return type, and then we call the function name. And if you have write parameters, then give parameters and open closing bracket. This is the syntax of method calling. Then now we can see in detail main method: public static void main string earth. Then public is a access modifier. So why in a method use public? Because we call without class this public. Then static, we call main method without class and object. We call the main method without class and object. Similarly, static is not deal with object. Without static, if you not give a static, then you create a object. So that's why static is used for the main method. Then void, it is a data type. It's not return anything. It is a default data type. It called the before function. It is called before function. Then string, it is a predefined class. We see in Java predefined classes, first letter is always capital. Then string and array, it is arguments, it's called always object or variable. So this is the our method description. Thank you.